Alright, let's just do a crochet with me today. I got the other one, got the other two halves done. I just don't have the zipper sewn in the... Wow, let's start from the beginning, huh? This is Lisa's Crafts. Welcome to my channel. This is Lisa. And we're gonna do some crocheting. Trying to stick to the plan. I didn't get any photos taken out. I put stuff on my Etsy. I didn't get any photos taken today. I mean yesterday. Yeah, Tuesday. It's Tuesday today. I mean yesterday on Monday I was supposed to take photos and I didn't get that far. Today I have to do laundry. And I got some stuff to give my animals a little bit more, just trying to get stuff done. I got a tarp yesterday for my cats that live outside. I want to cover up a small area. There's like a stall in there. I'm not sure if they had horses or goats or I don't know what the heck they had in there. Dogs, I don't know. I just know 2 cats live in that building now, so they come and go when they want, but I just want them to be comfortable. So I got that taken care of today, and then I put a tarp over the door of my rabbits' building they live in, because the door isn't sitting right anymore. I'll probably end up redoing that door at some point. Some of these buildings haven't been maintained very well, but it's okay. It works for us. We got it working. Where the rabbits are, it's actually a decent temperature in there. But they have that building insulated. The other one is not, but we want to knock the other one down anyway, where our cats are staying right now. What we're hoping to do is eventually get some animals in the barn and then hopefully get the cats to move over to the barn. But it is what it is. Oops, sorry. I'm lowering the crocheting. And I'm wearing my robe today. I'm just like, screw it, you know. It's a little chilly in here, not bad, but so I'm like, just feel like staying in lounge clothes today. I got everything all tangled here. There. I'm sure you have days like that where you just rather stay in your... Anyway. Throw this on. Do a little work here. I have the kaleidoscope pillowcase. Back of it almost done. I have to sew the zipper in the back there and see what I can do with the rest. I have the second half to this done already. I mean the first half. Second half. I am working on the second half. Anywho's, just working on stuff here. get stuff done. I guess I'm making progress. Should have started this earlier this morning, but I did. I played video games for a while. Actually, I play cards on the computer. I'm at least making progress here. I'm hoping to get all these pillows done this week. It doesn't mean I will. I might get sidetracked and like work on something else. These are pillow covers, I should say. Pillow covers. I'm tired today, which kind of sucks. Trying to make progress on the pile on my desk. I've got several things on my desk that need to get done that I would like to get done this week, but doesn't mean I will. It just depends on how thrilled I'm about doing it. I'm getting there though. Oops. Best thing to do is to make progress. some of these I pull the hook out all the way, or I don't catch the string, and maybe I'm trying to do it too quick. I don't know. Whoops. Yeah, I want to get all the backs done and then start working on the front. Hopefully finish one and then get it sewn together. And then get pictures of it and get it up on Etsy. That's the idea. I'll probably get some pictures taken today. Depends on how enthused I get towards the afternoon. But I got a lot of stuff done this morning already. I went out and tended to my animals and got the stuff put up. I tend to my animals every day, but I got tarps put up for them. So I got as much winterizing done as I can. We still have to move a lawn tractor into a shed yet. But that's about it. That's all we gotta do. It's a little bit of a windy day. You can hear the wires bang against the house here. getting there. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get these all done this week. Get caught up with all my crocheting, and then like start new projects and fall behind on those as well. I find it kind of funny sometimes. Because I'll get caught up with a whole bunch of new stuff, and then I'll get caught up with all the stuff I've made, and then I'll just make more stuff. I'm on my 14th row now, and I need 28. Alright, I do mostly crocheting on this channel. I hope you enjoy that, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel. Love to have you. Hit like if you like this stuff. Leave a comment. Love to hear from you. I'm always working on stuff, so always working on something. Some weeks I get more done than other weeks. Sometimes I get a whole bunch of stuff done on the weekend too. Always have stuff doing. Whoop. Hope you're working on something fun as well. And most of my things are on Etsy. You can purchase them if interested. If not, well, that's okay too. Thanks for watching.